Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Nothing Phone 2 is right around the corner, and we can't wait to see what it brings to the table. Rumors are already flying about the specifications and features. Judging from the previous teasers from Nothing, it was obvious that Carl Pei would launch the Nothing Phone 2 soon, to be exact. A lot of us anticipated that the device would land sometime next month. Well, the latest announcement from Nothing has just confirmed it. It's indeed launching next month. If you are looking for an exact date, the official announcement states that Nothing Phone 2 will launch on July 11th. That's just a day shy of the Nothing Phone 1's first birthday. On the note of Phone 1, the upcoming device will launch in the United States this time. So, it will be accessible to more markets than last time. Nothing Phone 2, you might be wondering what you should expect from the upcoming device. Well, the CEO of Nothing, Carl Pei, has shared some specifications for the upcoming device through previous teasers. The Nothing Phone 2 will feature Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Carl Pei chose it over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 because of how stable and optimized the CPU is at this point. Carl also mentioned that the device will pack a slightly larger battery than its predecessor. It will be 4,700 mAh in capacity, which should offer better battery life than the Phone 1. In addition, the Phone 2 will run on Nothing OS 2.0, which, according to the brand, will offer a significant overhaul compared to Nothing OS 1. This suggests that the brand will not be compromising in terms of the software experience. That said, there's no pricing information available for the Nothing Phone 2. However, it's worth noting that Nothing Phone 1 launched at $399, and Carl Pei mentioned that the next device will be very competitive, so the pricing could be lower than the current flagships. But we will have to wait until July 11th to see whether that's actually the case or not. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.